Really hope this does not blow up my phone. I'm so hopeful it doesn't. Honestly, please don't blow up my phone. Welcome to this Power Pod. Oh my god. Let's just unbox it now because I can't waste any more time. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. Stopping the virus and that. And yes, it does exist. Oh. Yikes. Yikes, dikes. Does it fit in my phone? Okay, it fits in my phone. So this is what it looks like. Oh. It's got an on and off switch, so let's just switch it. Does it charge? 3, 2, 1. It charges. It's disposable. I don't like it. It just hangs out my phone. I'm turning it off. I've got a protector on it, so I'm a bit worried. I need to take the case out. So I got this for 50 pence in Poundland. 50 pence isn't the worst ever. I would say go for actual power bank, but doesn't go all the way in. She's scaring me. Right, charges. It's not pretty, is it? It's just a really disgusting power brick that wiggles too much. Look how wiggly that is. I don't care. I don't want to know about PayPal right now. Okay. It's made out of very cheap plastic. I'm turning this off, so I kind of want to say this is a collector's piece. I'm not weird. Hold on. Give me a moment. If I get a Type-C adapter on this, no, it wouldn't work. I want to see if I could recharge it, but it's just really wobbly. I'm not sure how much I like this. Is it easily breakable? That's the question on all of our lips. Can I break it? If I can, it's probably not safe. There you go. It's just down there. Okay, it's still in good nick. Okay, so you can drop it once and it won't explode. It doesn't break your phone. But I plugged it in. Does my phone still charge normally? With a normal charger? Has it just fried my port? Okay, it hasn't fried my port. So I'm going to plug this into a BlackBerry. I'm going to let it charge. So I'll turn it on. BlackBerry actually just killed itself. It's drinking juice. Now powering on. Okay, it's on 0%. I'll be back to you when that's done. Oh, BlackBerry. I'll be back to you when that's done. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes and the BlackBerry's just shot itself. It went, and now it's dead. It's not taking juice. Not even taking power bank juice. Oh no, I actually killed a BlackBerry with a stupid Poundland charger, man. I knew this was a stupid idea. BlackBerry, take the juice. It literally comes with nothing else in the packet. Not even an extending cable, nothing. Okay, so let's look at the paperwork. For Android, disposable charger, boost, charge and go. What is this boosting? Need a boost, charge and go. Great vessels, pocket size. Always check your device's first device. Me, I am robot. So it's an odd charger. It's got a I need shoelaces. I had shoelaces in here, now they're gone. This is why I need to keep a stash of them. Always go missing. Basically, the idea is it's got a lanyard there. You're supposed to put in look. Nice ring. My power pod round. I'm just going to keep this now forever. It's probably got like 2% left in it. I'm going to keep it forever. Because it's a collector's item. But I managed to kill a BlackBerry. And probably could have killed my phone. 650 milliamps inside. I need to Google mine. How long does a full charge last on 650 milliamps? Right. Thanks.
Oh, that went well. Right.
Thank you. So, it could last about an hour to 2 hours, maybe 3, depending on what it's being drawn from. Is this worth 50p? Hell no. Is it worth £1? Are you insane? But is it worth your time? Probably not. If you're going to a festival and you need a quick 10% charge just to call your nan to tell her I'm at the Joe Wicks area, then yeah. But is it really pocket size? Yeah, I could fit that in my pocket, my BlackBerry, and my phone without a case. And it all fits just snug. No, probably about. I'm not a fashion channel. I'm not going to pretend I am. Hold on, I have an adapter somewhere. Oh, it didn't work though, was it? This was a massive waste of money, wasn't it? Oh, I don't know anymore. It's an odd thing. It's an odd one. The packaging's just like so tiny. But it doesn't even come with like. I wish this came with an extension cable. I would have preferred the cable. No, it hasn't even got a screw in that little bit. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this stupid review of a PowerPod charger. Yeah, peace.